Mr. Cameraman. You got hi.
What's going on?
I look nice.
Yeah, you look nice.
You think if my daddy see me, he'd be proud of me? Huh?
You know the camera on, right?
Oh, okay. Hi, I'm Candace. C-A-N-D-A-C-E. And Jesus loves me. I'm looking for the guy said honor the mama and your daddy, but I don't know my parents. So can you help me find them? All I know about my daddy is that he got a big head and no neck. Big head and no neck. Yeah, and they say I dress like him. Ooh, ooh. Don't I look nice? You like my hair? What about my clothes? I really like these boots. I look nice. Now look, they say that my mom used to be on the pole. What's the pole? I don't know. They say she used to drop it like it's hot. Do you know how to drop it like it's hot? That's what I seen on the TV screen. They said, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot, drop it. I'm a no-limit soldier. I thought I told you. Okay, let me get myself together. I'm looking for my mama and my dad. You gonna help me find them? Huh? Tell them that I'm looking for them. If you know who they are, tell them to contact me. My name Candace. C-A-N-D-A-C-E. Bye.
Where you going?
My friend want to play jump rope with me. She's shy. She don't want to be on camera.